Are you one of the million of Americans taking collagen to improve your skin health? Well, I'm going to break down the science behind that and teach you what may not be that effective. Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Nathan Bryan, nitric oxide biochemist and physiologist. Collagen is one of the hottest dietary supplements and most trending dietary supplements on the market. You know, we need collagen for our soft tissue, our tendons, our ligaments, for our skin. Collagen is a protein that absorbs water, improves hydration, and improves the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. But the misconception is people take collagen in the form of a powder, put it in water, and drink it. But collagen is a protein made up of specific amino acids. And these set of amino acids are unique to collagen. But our body is never designed to take, for example, fish collagen and then incorporate that. The collagen that you may be taking as a supplement is not the collagen that's going to be incorporated into your own skin. And let me break that down and tell you how that works. Any protein that we take in through the digestive tract, whether it's collagen, whether it's animal protein, plant protein, the stomach is designed to break those proteins down into amino acids. The human body is never designed to assimilate foreign proteins, animal, plant, fish, into our own human proteins. Stomach acids helps digest and break down proteins into the constituent amino acids. Those amino acids are absorbed in the proximal gut, and then each cell can take those amino acids and make collagen out of it. If you're deficient in certain amino acids that are required for collagen production, obviously you're not going to make collagen. So the beauty, I think the benefit of collagen is just if your body can break down those proteins into the amino acids, now your body has the basic building blocks to incorporate those amino acids to make human collagen. But you have to have adequate stomach acid production. You have to have the right transporters in those cells to get those amino acids. And you have to have the right machinery to make collagen out of those amino acids. But it may be even so simple. And what we do in terms of our nitric oxide generating a serum is our clinical trials have revealed that if we improve nitric oxide production on the surface of the skin, that nitric oxide diffuses into the dermis. We've done biopsies and we see collagen deposition. So we're initiating and synthesizing our own collagen production from our own amino acids from other proteins we're getting irrespective and independent of collagen supplementation. So just by increasing blood flow through nitric oxide, improve collagen deposition, improving cellular turnover, improving hydration, tone, texture, and clarity of the skin improves. Fine lines and wrinkles go away. And we're improving cellular health, cellular turnover, and your skin will show you the difference. So I think collagen can be an important component of your diet, but just to understand how this product works, it's a protein giving the body amino acids so the human body can make human collagen out of those amino acids that you're taking from the collagen as a dietary supplement. But I think what we're finding is if you want to amplify those effects, try our N101 nitric oxide activating serum because that alone induces collagen deposition, improves hydration. Daily collagen supplementation combined with twice daily use of our N101 nitric oxide serum, I think will give you the results you're looking for. So I think collagen can be a useful dietary supplement for skin health and overall cellular health. I think there's a lot of truth to that. Obviously, the results of creatine and high protein intake and building muscle mass is extremely important. But we have to consider the body's a dynamic process. So not only do we have to induce protein synthesis, but we have to turn off protein breakdown. And creatine does this, high protein diet does this, but also branched chain amino acids do this. They stimulate protein synthesis and they turn off protein degradation. So if you want to build muscle mass, then you've got to improve protein synthesis and stop the protein breakdown. But the other important component I would put in these tier 1 is nitric oxide. Because if you're consuming protein, consuming creatine, but you don't have a good cardiovascular system to deliver those raw ingredients, those raw materials, those amino acids to the working skeletal muscle, you're not going to get the hypertrophy. So nitric oxide is essential for dilating the blood vessels, adequate delivery of these nutrients, creatine, amino acids, and proteins to the working skeletal muscle. And you can grab our N101 nitric oxide serum at n101.com.